Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. It is the summer, as you know, and I'm gonna show you one of the most popular salads I did at my old job. And when we used to have cookouts, about 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day cookouts, and cookouts before during the Father's Day cookout. Did I say that? Out on the patio, outside on the buffet. This is one of the most popular salads. Corn avocado salad, y'all. This thing is absolutely incredible. And like I say, if you got barbecue cookouts, family reunions, even no, I wouldn't say take it to a repast because you got avocado, if you don't turn black. And they're going to talk about you. The avocado's not fresh. But anyway, perfect for the summer. Let me tell you what I have here. Corn, you know, is in season right now. Now, I bought some corn from HEB that's already clean because I'm going to do a little video and I'm being lazy. But use fresh corn if you can. Of course, if it's in the wintertime or whatever, fall frozen can is better, but it's nothing like fresh corn in the summer. And I'm going to boil it. You can grill it outside if you want to, but I like to boil mine in milk and butter. It's absolutely incredible. So like you see, I got my milk and butter heating up over there. That's how that's how we used to do it at my job. I used to eat corn all day. I used to be in the pot. We used to, of course, big pots of it. I mean, we doing 1 case of corn cut in half. That's 100 pieces of corn because it's 50 in a case. We snap it in half. 50 pieces of corn. But anyway, you got corn in there, tomatoes, avocados, a little bit of jalapeno for heat, fresh lime juice, purple onion, a regular cucumber, and a little cilantro. We're going to put a little olive oil and salt and pepper in there. This thing going to be absolutely incredible, y'all. So anyway, let me step out. I'm going to get my corn put in here and get it boiling off because I got to take it off the cob. We're going to get our tomatoes diced up. We're going to do everything except the avocado. Of course, avocado you do too early, it'll turn dark on you. So I'm going to get my tomatoes chopped up, my cucumber diced, onions diced, cilantro chopped up. By the time I get all that done, the corn will be ready, and I'm going to take it off the ear. This salad is so simple to put together, y'all. Your friends and neighbors, even co-workers will love it this summer. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. My corn is ready. So we're going to take our corn off. I'm telling y'all, this is the best way, in my opinion, to eat corn. You boil it with some butter and some milk. I'm gonna let this cool a little, y'all, before I take it off the. Let me dip this in there and get all that milk solids off of there. Move y'all over here and let show you. I've been doing some work while it's gone. I ain't been messing around. I've been doing some work. So I got my fresh tomato, and also, y'all, let me tell y'all, to make this salad really pop, I got fresh tomatoes, fresh farm tomatoes, not the one in the grocery store. If you right now in the summertime have access to good, fresh tomatoes, garden tomatoes, get them. That'll make this salad perfect. I got some cucumbers. I'm using the seeded cucumbers. I took the seeds out of them. You know, as you saw in the beginning, regular cucumber, and I seeded them. It's totally different than the English cucumber, the seedless. Anything with seeds in is always better. Then I have my red onions, my purple onions, cilantro, jalapeno, then the lamb, we're gonna put lamb in it. The lime and the avocados right here, we're gonna cut last minute and fold it in. So yeah, y'all, this is gonna be an amazing salad. So let me let this corn cool so I can cut it off the kernel, off the cob, and we're gonna put this salad together. Old school avocado corn salad, or corn avocado salad, summer salad. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, let's get everything put together here, y'all. Like I said, this is a very simple, easy salad once you get everything prepped. Okay, you're gonna put first. There's no certain order what to put. Of course, the avocados have to go last because they'll turn black on you. Okay, got the corn. I got the cucumbers right there. purple onion. Oh, really, look at all the nice, pretty colors. If you want to put got the tomatoes in there, bell peppers, you can. A little cilantro there. Put them all in there. What you saving it for? Got the jalapenos right there for a little heat. Yeah, man, that ain't pretty right there. Pretty right there in itself. Hold on, y'all. Be right back. All right, y'all. We are back here. All right, y'all. We're going to add our avocados to this here. Fresh avocados. Let me get my limes cut already, y'all. So when I open my avocados, I can put lime juice on it. And that way it'll stop the... Or if you don't have lime, you can use lemon juice as well. You don't have to go... If you don't have limes in your house on a regular basis, for all means, you can use lemon juice. But lime is just so... There's something about this recipe that's so refreshing to it. I'm cutting the tips off the lime so it can go in my squeezer, juicer better. Okay. Move the avocados here. Limes over. Open my avocados up here. Nice, beautiful, ripe. Look how pretty those are, y'all. You want to get you some beautiful, ripe, and not overripe avocados. Open up, open up, open up. Get the pit out of there, y'all. Get the pit out of there. I'm gonna show you a little trick that the ladies at my job showed me. Cut it right in the shell or the skin or shell or whatever you want to say. Just don't cut through it. See that? Just like so. And we're going to put a little lime juice on the top of this. And then, of course, we're going to put lime juice as we mix it together as well. Then we'll get a big spoon. We'll get a big spoon here. I got my juicer here. We'll kind of, you know, do it over the lime like that, y'all. Y'all see where I'm headed? Get the other one. I'm trying to put it over the lime juice like that. Leave that one out just like so. That way so it don't turn black on you as you putting it in the in your salad. There we go. All right, now all we're gonna do, we're gonna scoop it out. Scoop the avocado right in there just like so. And we're gonna fold all this in. Look at that. Now, we're gonna get a little more lime juice and put in here, just like so. This salad is absolutely incredible, y'all. Incredible. And then we'll taste it here in a second, see if I need more lime juice. Okay, we're gonna put a little salt and pepper. About a teaspoon. We might need more. A little olive oil. Now, we're gonna fold this in just like so. Pretty this gonna be. pretty that is, y'all. Like I say, slowly but surely. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Make sure you break up the avocado as much as you can. And like I say, if you do to a cookout or you taking cookout, I suggest that you take the avocados and fold it in at the end over there or something so it doesn't get black on you, turn dark on you. So we're gonna give this a little taste here. Just a little taste. Check my seasoning. Check my seasoning here. Okay. Perfect. So anyways, let me change the bowl here. We'll be back, close this video out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back for the final segment. Oh, look at this bowl of goodness, y'all. Nice summer salad right there. I know I got to get me a spoon here. Get me some of this here. I love me only way I can eat avocado, y'all, if it's with something. Some people can take avocado and just slice it. My auntie can do that. And just eat it like that. But if it's in a salad like this, let me get a good bite here, y'all. All right, you got the tomatoes on there, the nice corn, avocado, cucumber. Come on now, going in. Wow. Y'all, the creaminess of the avocado hits you first. The fresh tomatoes, and then that fresh lime juice, it really pops. Then you got the crunchiness of the red onion, purple onion, and the corn, just good fresh corn. It's a perfect side item. Instead of taking traditional potato salad and coleslaw, macaroni salad, or cookout, try this one here, y'all. You will not regret it. It's so good. But fresh items is important. Look at that, y'all. Come on now. Go in here. I'm telling you. When I used to make this at my job, I'd go crazy for that. I used to mess with the gourmet ladies. You don't know what gourmet is is the ladies that, they ain't only ladies. And my job was mostly ladies. We make the salads, homemade dressings. We made everything in the house from scratch. All the dressings, salads, cold sandwiches was in the house. And I used to call this the fancy pico de gallo. I used to see them making it. I said, oh, we got the fancy pico de gallo. I said, get out here, September. They know I'm going to come back and get me some. So anyway, let's close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TBSP, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2026? Take 6 months to mind your own business and 6 months to leave other folks' business alone. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all.